Hello, my name is Jan. I'm going to talk about cybercrime, specifically phishing, with help of the following infographic. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack often used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker masquerading as trust entity dupes a victim into obtaining an email, instant message, or text message. In the infographic, which we can see clearly see how phishing affects people and the main propagation media, for example, email, social media, SMS, MMS, phone calls, and device viruses. Graphic informative about the top social media email subjects. And obviously, the key takeaway. And to the recommendations to avoid it. For example, be wary of emails that have misspellings. Do not reply to emails that ask for confidential information, and check that the web page is a secure address. It should start with https double dots / it should show a small closed padlock in the browser bar. Thanks for watching, and that's all.